So my ninja got into a physical fight with a Roomba at 3 a.m. because he thought it was possessed. It started when the Roomba turned on by itself. No one touched it. No one scheduled it. My ninja lives alone. It did one circle, paused, and turned directly toward him like it had beef. He said, "Ayo na, you got too much motion for a vacuum." Instead of unplugging it, my ninja grabs a belt and starts swinging. Meanwhile, the Roomba's zigzagging around the living room like it knows dodgeball rules. Then it says returning to dock in the deepest voice possible. Next morning, he checks the app, and the Roomba drew a map that spells run. He moved out the same day.